In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Deep Research to accelerate your research tasks. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring you can utilize this tool effectively and save valuable time in your research projects. To start, open your web browser and head over to Google. This is our starting point and is essential for accessing all the tools you need. In the search bar, type in Google Gemini and hit enter. By doing this, you ensure that you are searching specifically for Google Gemini, which leads us directly to the suite of tools we need for deep research. Once the search results appear, look for the link to the official Google Gemini website. Click on it, and this will redirect you to the main dashboard of the Gemini tools. Remember, accessing the correct website is crucial to avoid potential issues with imposter sites or irrelevant information. As you arrive at the Google Gemini homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This orientation is essential because it helps you navigate more easily in the future. Now, look for the option labeled Deep Research on the site. Click it. This section of Gemini is tailored specifically for intensive research needs. Now comes the fun part, crafting your prompt. For example, you might have a project that involves renovating your kitchen. Think about everything you need and phrase your needs clearly. You might say, I want to renovate my kitchen. Please search the internet for real brands and products for cabinets, countertops, sink, faucet, appliances, and lighting. Show me your top recommendations with names and links, and include photos or image previews for each item. The clarity and specificity of your prompt will heavily influence the results you receive, making it the cornerstone of your research process. With your prompt ready, look over to the Submit button and give it a click. This submission is what triggers the entire process, so ensuring everything is correctly stated before clicking Submit is key to getting accurate and useful results. Once the prompt is submitted, you will see an option to start the research. Click Start Research, and the Gemini Deep Research tool will begin curating and compiling the best possible data for your needs. This might take a little time, depending on the complexity and breadth of your request. You'll soon receive a comprehensive list of suggestions tailored to what you asked for, complete with images and links, making your research not only faster, but also more visually informative. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently harness the power of Google Gemini's deep research capabilities, transforming your workflow and saving you countless hours in your research tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Gemini Deep Research.